So I went to a spot where my homeboys. I'm rolling hard now under control. The rocks are 6 4 around the telephone pole. I looked at my car and I said, didn't have learn. Both upstate for attempted murder. Cause the boys in the hood are always hard. You come talking that trash, we'll pull your car. No, nothing in life but
Okay, this is the toolbox for jet ski. You see, right now it's finished. You see, you can put 4 gas tanks in this towing jack. Okay, this is the toolbox we make it for a jet ski. You see them? For 3 gas cans.